Zara. High five. No. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very beautiful special guest, Miss Zara Bara. She is sleepy, so I really don't know how this is about to go, but we're gonna try to do it anyway. Today is hair day. Today is wash day. I'm gonna try to make this quick. This is not gonna be no deep condition. This is gonna be your sleepy baby. You know what I'm saying? You running late for bedtime. It's already 7:32. This girl likes to be in the bed early. So we gonna make it do what it do with what we got. Okay, y'all pray for me. But I am so excited because this is our first like wash day routine video. I'm finally, girl, she just turned a year on April 10th. But I'm finally like just now getting into, what you gotta say? She telling the truth about it. So I'm finally like jumping into like a real routine for her hair because most of her like babyhood, she just wore her little afro. I like my baby hair with baby hair afro. But now that she is like, her hair is growing so crazy. She has so much hair. Like I gotta do something with it. I at least gotta put it into a couple ponytails. Hair day can go real bad, real quick, especially when you got a sleepy baby. And I have a sleepy baby, so let's get into it, girl. So let's jump right into the products I've been using recently on Zara's hair, and that is the Cantu for kids. Y'all, I've been loving these products and I'll talk more about them in the video. And this was just my little epically failed setup. She did not enjoy this at all, but you know. So this was actually my first time trying to use the little flower just to lay her down, y'all. It was a whole fail. I thought we was good at first. I got her little sucker, you know what I'm saying? She was happy, she was chilling. She was happy. Look at that baby with them 4 little teeth. But y'all, okay, here's where it starts to go bad. Here's where it begins. I thought I was in there. I really did. If y'all got some little contraptions like where babies can lay down at the sink and not be able to like move and stuff, please let a sister know, okay? So I'm just finger detangling her hair, taking out that old hairstyle she had. It was really the same hairstyle. We doing the same thing, okay? And we gonna get to washing her hair and go ahead and enjoy Zara being really mad at me for like 10 minutes while I try to wash her hair. So let's talk about this shampoo. Now I like this shampoo, but it's not my favorite. Like, it's moisturizing, but it's not the most moisturizing shampoo I've used. I use Shea Moisture on her hair. Look at her over it. I used Shea Moisture on her hair before and I like their shampoos a lot better. I think I might switch back to that. But it is a nice moisturizing shampoo. But for my baby hair, for the type 4 babies, okay, it's just not enough moisture. You know what I'm saying? They need that moisture. Now this conditioner on the other hand is bomb. I've been loving this. It hydrates her hair really good. Y'all see my baby, she got a head full of hair. It's super thick. It's at type 4. I want to say she probably is 4C, 4B in some areas, but this does the job. And even though she mad, her hair ain't. Oh mama, but I'm almost done. Please girl, please. It's okay. You're gonna make me cry. Here you go. It's the curls for me, sis. It's the hydration for me. Like, this conditioner does what it has to do. Like, it really defines her curls and really hydrates them really good. And this is her hair just after the conditioner has set for a few minutes, but I really want to get like a little steamer so I can start steaming her hair because girl, these curls, they need all that moisture. Especially, I'm finna talk about this little, y'all know the little rub out patch that most babies have from like sleeping on their backs or whatever. She definitely has that. That hair back there is, you know, like way shorter and stringy and rubbing off opposed to the rest of her hair. So maximum hydration is definitely key. You mad at me? Zara, I know you ain't mad at me. Zara, this girl's really mad at me. You mad at me? Ooh. So these turban towels are definitely a must-have for your baby's hair, for yours too, girl. And I get these from Dollar Tree, y'all. Yes, only $1. I got like every color. We good, Zara? Zara. You okay? We good? Call it truce? High five? Okay. All better. So after that baby is all lathered up and ready for bed, I like to go ahead and moisturize her hair before she goes to bed. So that cancel, shake, butter, leave-in, conditioner. Oh, girl. That leave-in is everything. It really moisturizes her hair so good. And it don't leave behind like that white cast or like flakes or anything. So this is definitely a go. Dollars. Look at your pretty curls. You so beautiful. Oh, look at them juicy curls. Look at them moisturized curls, girl. Oh, you so cute. And then I try girl to go in and moisturize her hair into sections. She really just don't let me do nothing, but she really don't let me do this. Look at her. So I try my best to just go through just get big sections and really moisturize and really focusing in on that back part of the hair, because y'all know that's the rub out zone. So we really got to make sure that that's lathered up and moisturized. And then I like to wrap that turban towel back around her hair. Just throw it in the dryer so it can be nice and warm. And so, you know, because her hair is wet, you don't want the baby to get sick overnight. And this keeps the bonnet in place, because a lot of the time she'll pull the bonnet down over her face and we just can't have them problems. Now this girl, this satin patch sheet, okay, shout out to Debbie DeVoe. She sent this for Zara's baby shower, and let me tell you, it has been a lifesaver for my baby's hair, okay? Like, that satin patch really helps to keep her hair moisturized throughout the night, and it's just everything. It's everything. It's so cute and soft too, and Zara loves it. Night night. Night night. Night night, Zara. Bye bye.
Good night, Zara.
Say good night.
I go hug Zara.
Give her hugs.
Good night, Zara.
Good night. Say good night, brother. Love you, girl. Peace out. Good morning. You in a better mood? You ready to get this hair together? Come on. Woo, we child here. Oh, this is the part. Look at her. I ain't even touched her yet. Lord, I be having to pray to God for help on this part. I gotta give her snacks. Honey, I gotta give the child whatever she wants for this part. So after all that moisturizing, her hair is super soft. Like, curls are just nice and hydrated. Look, girl. Zara. Anyway, let me show y'all this baby moisturized curls. Okay, curls for the girls. Even though she don't want me touching her, you know what I'm saying? But now I'm just gonna spritz it with some water and give her a little style. Y'all will see the struggle, a part of the struggle, girl. This is only a piece of the struggle. We done. You did it, Zara. High five. You survived hair day.